What's up, guys? Welcome to 2022, the year where we will have more open jobs than people who want to work them. No one is passionate about 9-to-5 jobs and 401k, those times are over. Today, the finest side hustle ideas are those that may generate more than $1,000 each month. A side hustler's attitude perceives resource limits as a great challenge, not a hint to quit. They come from many walks of life and sell a variety of goods. Thousands are joining them as individuals find that saving money and working full-time only gets you so far. The sky is the limit for side hustles. It's not easy. So, what goes into launching and maintaining a profitable side hustle? Stay here for the next 8 minutes to find out. Welcome back to Glory Investing Show, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you about the top 5 hustles to make money in 2022. I tried all of these side hustles so far, and I can tell you that they all work. Some of them are faster income generators, and some of them are slower, but your pockets will get bigger. Manage social media accounts. Whatever we think of social media, it has become a fundamental part of our lives, whether we like it or not, whether we want it to be. The statistics from Keepios.com for October 2021 show that an average of 13 new persons joined the social media world every second during the previous month. The figure is unlikely to drop shortly. Given the constant influx of new social networking sites into the market, it is possible to have a wide variety of jobs and obligations while managing a social media account. Anything from something as simple as submitting a daily Instagram post for an individual to something as sophisticated as managing the whole social media portfolio of a large corporation might fall within your authority. But the skills that every social media manager must have include an awareness of how social media algorithms work, as well as an understanding of current trends in the industry. One issue that is needed to be considered an effective social media manager: your posts must result in increased business and/or increased followings, which may be difficult. After all, it is for this reason that you are getting reimbursed for your troubles. Everyone uses social media to some extent, maybe more than they should. So, why not convert it into a source of money for yourself and others? For the intermediate social media marketers, they can make $50 to $100 per hour, and an experienced social media manager can make $120 or much higher. The income level you can expect to make largely depends on your experience level, your background, and the ability to sell yourself to potential clients. Get yourself promoted through your social media. Get 5 clients and give them a deal of $500 per month flat fee to manage and post on all 3 social media accounts. Become an influencer. Everyone will become famous for 15 minutes at a time shortly. When it comes to social media, the average person now has access to an audience that surpasses what anybody would have seen throughout his lifetime, whether they're fashion models on Instagram or comedians on Twitter. It should be noted that not everyone is taking advantage of this in the same way. As a consequence of this access, micro-influencers, notably those on Instagram, have developed, enabling businesses to interact with highly focused audiences. You may not consider yourself to be an influencer, but keep in mind that 2 of the most important responsibilities of marketing are reaching and convincing the appropriate audiences. Therefore, influencers are merely another audience-driven technique to create a side hustle or a business, rather than a unique way to do it. The possibilities for earning money via this side hustle are many and creative, even though it's not easy to get started. While developing an audience is important, it's acceptable to focus on audience acquisition even if a commercial plan is not immediately obvious. Many Instagram businesses had to spend a significant amount of time building a following before their account could become profitable and create passive income. Take, for example, Loki the wolf dog. What started as a simple Instagram account highlighting Loki's more adventurous side has blossomed into a full-fledged clothing line thanks to the support of fans. It is worth noting that building a fan following was not simple, but the creators were able to achieve it by consistently producing content that the public was interested in seeing. There's a large selection of influencers to pick from on Instagram, making this a profitable side business opportunity. For example, you may concentrate on a certain specialization, sell your freelance services, build your acting portfolio, or just provide humorous comments along with attention-grabbing images. For a more straightforward approach, you might just give amusing comments backed by eye-catching photographs. I would say that if you've built up a following on your website, you may want to consider affiliate marketing by advertising products and services on your social media profiles. You may earn money as an affiliate marketer. You earn a commission every time a follower purchases after clicking on a special link you give. If you do it well, it may be one of your more passive side hustles that can bring in extra money even if you are sleeping through the night. The most important thing to know is it will not be overnight success and it will take time. It took us over 3 years to get 150,000 plus people who are engaging with us on social media, but we are living proof that it is possible. Sell photography. Shutterstock and iStock Photo, for example, are 2 stock photo agencies that are always on the hunt for photos that may be used on websites and advertising campaigns. As long as the internet exists, they will continue to demand fresh images, since websites will be forced to constantly update and renew their content. You may also sell your images as prints, or you can have them printed on promotional items such as mugs or sweaters to help you market your company. To earn money, you need to print your images on a real thing and sell them as wall art or wearable art. The ability to get high-quality prints of your images these days is straightforward and affordable, so if you have the right shot, there is a feasible market for you to pursue. You have the option of charging a fee for your photography services as well. Here, it's important to note that it is possible to work a full-time job merely photographing weddings, and that is without taking into account other events such as concerts, graduations, pregnancy announcements, annual family photos, and so forth. The talents of photography and image editing are extremely marketable, so knowing how to take beautiful photographs and edit them is a fantastic place to start. Start a dropshipping business. So back in 2015, I had a terrible injury. I actually got hit by a buffalo while trying to take a selfie. Yes, that's not a joke. I got some serious injuries that made me not capable of doing physical jobs for a while. So I found out about dropshipping. I ran a couple of successful stores till I didn't focus all my energy on one particular project. We'll talk about that later on. Consider starting a dropshipping business if you like the automated aspects of print on demand, but are more interested in marketing and administration than you are in creating unique designs for your customers. Dropshipping, which is an online business method in which a third party makes and distributes pre-existing commodities on your behalf, is similar in that all that is needed of you is to set up your store, price your products, and advertise your organization. As previously said, dropshipping is also a low-risk choice, since things are only sent when they are purchased, enabling you to make a substantial profit, as long as your marketing expenses remain within reasonable boundaries. Using dropshipping, you may save a substantial amount of time by outsourcing the manufacturing and shipping to a third party. To reach a bigger audience, dropshipping on marketplaces such as Amazon and eBay is an option. Dropshipping allows you to save time, which may be put to better use by identifying a niche market to sell to, advertising your products, attracting new consumers, or providing excellent customer care to your present customers. You might also want to note that dropshipping is a good side income for those who want to enhance their marketing abilities, since it does not need them to create or design products for their customers. We had the pleasure of working alongside Income Addict as their official ambassadors. By using code GLORY, you will get yourself a nice discount on the entire website. Income Addict is a perfect example of how side hustles can become full-time jobs in the end. This POD website generates around $4,000 in sales every month. Sell digital subscriptions. Have you ever considered starting your magazine from the ground up? A zine is a work with a limited print run that is generally distributed online. Generally speaking, the word zine refers to any publication that's focused on a specific niche readership. Nonetheless, the key distinction between zines and magazines is the handcrafted autonomous aspect that relies on ideas and ideals that are not reported by the mainstream media. Let me tell you that zine publishing is an excellent side job for artists, graphic designers, and authors who want to display and sell their work on the internet. It may be a useful tool for campaigns in terms of mobilizing supporters. Zines have a long history of promoting alternative, neglected works of art and literature, and this legacy continues today. The internet has provided a forum for the next generation of zine makers to share fresh ideas with the public in the form of digital subscriptions. If you're competent at proofreading, even better. You won't have to pay someone to edit your zine, which saves you money. When using Shopify's digital downloads app, it's pretty simple to sell digital files safely, but the Lulu Direct app may assist you with the process of self-publishing physical copies of your zine. This gig is perfect for people who don't see theirself as full-time bloggers, but they are pretty good in writing. If there's anyone who likes writing scripts, please contact us. We would love to work with our viewers. And that's all for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to get your free stocks on Moomoo app. With depositing only $1, you can potentially get 5 free stocks, valued up to $7,500. Also, check out Income Addict's shop for some sick trader merch. Don't forget to share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. And while you are here, click to watch one of these 2 videos appearing on your screen right now. I'll see you there. Take care and stay tuned.